Today we will be talking about security labs, stock market, virus predictions which have proved spot on due to Mars in the high risk zone till 19th January and to in a broader spectrum till 30th January 2022 because of Venus. Till 19th it is most enigmatic for the Mars transit, and after that till 30th Venus is in retrogression and in fallen state. You see, the security lapse is clearly indicated by the Sun, the head of the country, the head of the state is signified by Sun. It is the fourth lord. It is in the transiting in the 8th house of the India Foundation chart with Lagna Lord and 6th Lord in a fallen state, in retrograde motion, and very close to getting combusted. So when it comes near combustion, it on the 6th it is combusted, and it clearly points out that there will be some security lapse and conspiracy because Mars and Ketu are transiting in the 7th house of the India Foundation chart. Mars is the 12th lord and the 7th lord. I had clearly mentioned in my article, the link is given below, that there will be security lapse. And you can see for yourself what all has happened. Then the virus surge was also predicted by me because Mars is in the high risk zone from the 28th December to 19th of January 2022 because it is in the Just star, supposed to be most ferocious and bitter. And the Scorpio sign also signifies lingering diseases, and Ketu, the Karka for diseases, is already there. And we have seen when Ketu was in Jyeshtha Nakshatra, the second wave of coronavirus had taken place. Now Mars is there in Jyeshtha Nakshatra, and the world most ugliest things have happened when Mars is in Jyeshtha star, and then it will be in Gandanta. See, my predictions have been absolutely to the point and spot on. And I had also mentioned about the virus and about the stock and financial markets, that after 8th of January, there will be break in the stock and financial markets. But I had mentioned that 2 days before it could also happen, 2 days here and there could also happen because the Navamsha conditions have also been seen. And in the past I have seen that whatever dates I have given, things take place a day or two before. So I had mentioned in this article that it could be possible on the 6th for security lapse, for terrorism, for virus surge, for break in the stock markets after it touches a new high in the present scenario. So just read this article which I had written. I had written this article, red alert for lockdowns. Now lockdowns have also taken place, what I had predicted, because the 4th lord, Sun, and Venus, the Lagna lord and the 6th lord, are in the 8th house. Lockdowns, virus, earthquakes, terrorism, war-like conditions, and then you can see for yourself what China is doing. I don't want to comment. The sweets exchanged on the 1st of January, they can get converted into bullets. That is what is happening as far as China is concerned. China is in a war mood. It is not good. And then when the planetary positions, Rahu, Ketu, when Mars is in Scorpio, it is most venomous. And then when Mars and Saturn will be together, and then Rahu and Ketu will be in Kendra, That will also be the most venomous time period. We have talked about it and I have written so many articles on it. And 28th December to 19th, 18th December is most venomous, and I have mentioned 8th to 10th January is most prone. And let me read out, look what I had written in the article. Virus, look, lockdowns, curfew and section 144 may be implemented from the 8th January. Virus surge and peak conditions in the month of January 2022, positivity rate crosses 6.5%. More and more panic and march in the high risk zone till 19th January, and Venus fallen and retrograde till 30th January 2022 are time frames when there could be surge and mutations in the virus. After 3rd March 2022 and 17th March 2022, we could get some relief. Terrorism on the borders of the China and Pakistan, since China is in a war mood, and hence brawl between countries and Indochina. I'd also mentioned just let me read out that I had written that the country, it is the red planet, is alerting us, and the security, lockdowns, curfew, section 144 can be implemented after this date. And I have been writing on the Facebook and the articles much in advance. To all this, of Rohvi Kal Sarp Yoga adds fuel to the fire till 24th of April. So till 24th of April, the things what are happening now, they can get, they can acquire a greater dimension. So friends, this is all just I wanted to say. And as per the time of 3:45 hours on the 6th of January, at the time when Narendra Modi security lapse had taken place, it clearly shows that it is a conspiracy. As per astrology, I am not blaming anybody for that purpose, but as per astrology, and my disclaimer clause is applicable. I may be wrong, but as per astrology, it shows that it is some conspiracy is going on, and it is obvious. So friends, this is all. Just wanted to share that things are not in a healthy condition. I had forewarned, and if we had made use of astrology, we could have saved ourselves from the situation, from the ugly situation what we are going through. People are saying I am writing negatives, but you see, what is the use of astrology if we can't use it? We should look into the positive perspective of it, that if we take a corrective action before it, we can be saved of the dire situations. So this is all. Please maintain social distancing and use mask, wash your hands, and get ready for something like the first wave. Although this wave may not be that dangerous, but it will definitely create more panic, and panic situations and lockdowns will be implemented. You wait and see. The time till 30th of January is most prone to it. First of all, till 16th January, then 30th January, and then 27th February, and then till the 3rd March. Things can take an ugly shape. They can take in a peak position. Everything can be on the peak. Maybe it is virus, maybe it is terrorism, maybe it is untoward happening. I have talked about 19th of January also. I made a horoscope of that. And 19th January also seems to be most venomous, although the 8th and 10th date are also very critical. You can't go about seeing all the days. It's very difficult. It's a very cumbersome job, but you know what calculation a astrologer can do in his mind, that Mars travels so many degrees in a day, moon will be here, So all that in his mind, only then he can do it. Otherwise he'll go mad searching for the planetary positions every day. It's very difficult. And mind you, all this has been done by me much before the actual happening. It is not now. I have been writing this for almost 3-4 months. And you can see for yourself that astrology is proving spot on, and whatever other predictions have been made, it also seems that they will also come true. So friends, be careful. No marriages should be done. Any person who is on a entertainment spree, he will suffer because Venus is fallen. If he is traveling for spree, he will suffer. If he is going to a restaurant for spree, celebrating something, he can suffer. So be very careful. Venus is fallen. No marriage activity, no entertainment, mass gathering should be done. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to share. Thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day. Bye bye.